Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Eclipse updated and a JDK installed. Once that's ready, close running projects and back up your workspace to avoid lost settings. Now open Preferences via Window Preferences, Mac OS, Eclipse Preferences. From here, you'll immediately search for Appearance. This is the first actionable step because changing theme affects editors, views, and plugin panes. Make sure to keep the Preferences window open. You'll toggle themes and tweak colors in the next step. You now apply a dark theme and refine visuals. In Preferences General Appearance, choose Dark. If UI elements remain bright, install a polished theme like Darkest Dark from the marketplace and apply it. Once done, tweak colors and fonts. Java Editor, console, annotations, and syntax colors so code contrast is clear. Use theme-specific settings for tabs and tree backgrounds. Make sure to check third-party plugin views and adjust their colors in each plugin's preferences to avoid mixed light/dark panels. You finish by ensuring editor details and icons match the dark UI. Open Text Editor settings to set caret, selection, and background colors for comfortable contrast. Set annotation colors for errors and warnings. If toolbar icons or splash art look washed out, enable the legacy icon theme or install a compatible dark icon pack. If parts still display light styling, restart Eclipse. If that fails, relaunch with the clean argument or test a new workspace. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.